How to unblock user on Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chats icon. Simply tap on chats. So here, this is the place where you'll be able to find different users that are available. Now simply tap on the one whom you want to unblock. Now here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon. So here there are two different options, report and unblock. Simply tap on unblock and now it's done. Now you can easily chat with them, have conversation with them and use other features like following, calling and even enjoying their live stream. Now you can do it easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.